What's up, guys? This is the 179 Bob Killer, and we are back for another episode. Last episode, we found the 3D printer, and we printed out some stuff. I actually might want to print out some arrows next, because in a couple years, this will load the arrows. Hopefully, it will load arrows. I know they're somewhere over here, right? I'm not losing my mind here, right? I know I collected some arrows. That is a fact. I'm blind. I don't know where they are. Someone in the comments is gonna be like, they're right below you. Like, you can't see. I genuinely don't know what happened to the arrows. Oh, that's the paper target that I was talking about earlier. I wonder if you can, like, improve your accuracy and aiming by shooting at the paper target. Oh, they're up here. Okay, this is where the arrows go. These are what crossbow bolts. So there's a crossbow in this game. Interesting. And these are the carbon arrows. I'm guessing we can carry more than 6 arrows. So let's go and cycle. Oh, we got tech mesh, sled, arrows. Let's do arrows. Yeah, let's put some more. Oh, wait, do I not have any more of the printer stuff? Oh my gosh, I don't have any more printer resin. Alright, well now that's gonna start giving me the beeps. Maybe I can find some more printer resin down this direction. I'm gonna keep my mask on. Ooh, I can't see anything. Look, we're going into the light. We're going into the light. Oh, it's literally just... What the heck? Just a piece of wall that was moved. Is this a radio? Does it turn on? Oh, it's a toolbox. What's up here? Some spooky noises. Got a watch. I know I'm hungry, game. Don't worry about it. Ooh, door. We know that music. How much you want to bet this door is kind of like an end game area with like the key card you need to get into it? So we need to go and scour the earth for more printer resin. And you know what? I'll eat some more food. I like the aggressive chouching down on that. Spooky. I love this mask. It's so dumb, but it's funny. Alright, time for Lag Central. Oh, that was not nearly as laggy as I thought it was going to be. So we got a mask now. We have chopped audio. Wonderful. Let's take out our little thing and go to... I guess we're going to go to this purple icon. Alright, we'll wait like 2 seconds for the audio to catch up to us. Come on, audio. I know you can do it. Oh my gosh. The audio is just gonna give me crap, isn't it? There's nothing I can do. It was so good. It was pretty tame last episode. Oh, hello. Oh, he attacked me through the frickin'... Alright. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to mute the game. Normal audio, let's go. Cause for celebration. Wait, there's more music. Wow, good thing I turned the audio on in the right moment. We found stuff here I wouldn't have seen. More grenades and C4. What the heck is that? A pistol rail? Oh, we have to actually build a pistol again? No way. Yo, is there any cloth in here? I could use some cloth. Oh, we got printer resin. We can go back and finish printing that thing. We can't pick up any more tarps. Alright, we'll turn that off. This guy has a watch on him. He's a dead man. Very, very dead man. So I guess we gotta go swimming. I hope there are no sharks. Swimming with an axe. How very realistic, right? Oh, here we go. The swim is on. Fingers crossed, no sharks. Oh my god, there is a shark. There is a shark. There is a shark. Oh no, I saw it. It was like right in the right corner of my screen. Oh, that shark just jumped out of the water. Okay, this is gonna get us killed, isn't it? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. This is bad. Get to the raft. Get to the raft. Get to the raft. Is that a shark underwater I saw? I can't even tell. It's like a water blur. Okay, okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. Oh, please tell me there's a way to row this ashore. Because I do not want to swim through that. Damn, we're just like slouching over into this thing. Ew, this guy had a bad day. Jeez. I guess we'll collect his little fob. Some more stuff. Oh. Pistol. Pistol. Where is that going to be located? In here? Yeah. Alright. Let's pull out the pistol. We combine it? Wait, what do we combine it with? It's not saying. Wait, do I combine it with this thing? Oh, I do. What is this? Alright. Oh, we can dismantle it as well. I don't really know what the pistol rail does. It's supposed to make it more accurate, I guess. How many bullets do we have? I don't know. That's cool, we got a pistol. And, I can't move? For some reason. There we go. That was weird. For a solid few seconds, I just couldn't really walk. What's that floating out there? Is that like a log or something? Oh no, that's a bird. My graphics are so low that I thought it was a log. That's so sad. Alright. Guess we can try swimming back that way, or the way we came. I'm a little worried about the sharks, not gonna lie. The closest distance is probably the way we came. Oh, fingers crossed. Let's not die. Making the mad dash here. The mad swim. Come on, no sharks, no sharks. No sharks, no sharks. Alright, I think we're good. It's thundering though. That is not good. Oh wait, it is super shallow. There's no way there's a shark here, right? Yeah, we're good, we're good. No sharks, we beat the sharks, let's go. Is that? 1 second. There's a turtle here. Maybe this turtle will drop its shell if I kill it. Let's put away the gun, because I don't need the gun. If I, let's take our stabby tool here. Are you gonna drop your shell? Why am I, like, moving in slow motion? Ah, we did get a shell this time. Interesting. Did I just pick that up? I picked up the meat. Yeah, what's this thing? It's over here. Oh, there's some rope. Almost just walked right past that. So I have max gamma brightness up right now. So hopefully for YouTube this video is not horrible. Is that Virginia? Yeah, she's just following us. But I want to know what this is. Is there anything in here? Nothing. There was nothing there. So it looks like Virginia just kind of follows us now. Look at her, she's kind of stalking us. It's pretty cool nighttime sky. Is she gonna realize we're here and run away? Yeah, there she goes. She's running away. Well, I gotta go this direction to the last little icon. Gotta zoom out my map a little more though. So we've already checked 2 of these green circles. Let's check this green circle over here as well. I say over here, the one that I'm running towards. We'll check that green circle. And then we will, you know, move on, I guess. I think, though, that until I get there, this has been enough time for this episode. And, yeah, I think I will end this episode here. So please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you all next time.